The next topic for class is graduate school and professional certifications. Many of you probably have an idea of what you want to do after you graduate, whether that be attend graduate school or get a job right out after school. You may or may not need a professional certification. This chapter should help you in finding out the answers to those questions. Please go through the PowerPoint called Graduate School and Professional Certifications. The next two links are YouTube videos that will help you to decide what you need to do to either get a certification or to go to grad school. Keep in mind that this particular YouTube video, Choosing a Certification, is not very professionally done. As a matter of fact, the gentleman who does it actually swears a few times in it, so just be aware of that. The grad school one is a very good PowerPoint that goes through and explains exactly what you might need to do. If you're still wondering and debating about graduate school, this is a good one to watch. If you decide you want to go to graduate school, this link here is a link to the library site that actually has free resources to help you study for the GRE or the MCAT. If you click on the link, it will take you to an outside source where you might have to actually enter your Coastal username and password. I'm already logged in, so I don't need to do that. But if you click on the College Students tab, it actually says Prepare for Graduate School Admissions Exams. And you'll see that there's preparations for all the different types of tests that you might not need or want to take. Some of these things are very expensive to buy online, so this is a great resource to know that our library has for you. If you are, the next part of the class will be to do the assignment on graduate school or professional certifications. If you look at the assignment, you see that you're given two options. You can either do the professional certification summary or the graduate school questionnaire, one or the other. Please note that this says write at least 2 to 3 paragraphs answering the following questions. And this one you will go through and answer the questions because there are so many more. Please let me know if you have any questions. Good luck on this assignment.